Today, we're unlocking the secrets on how to make an email marketing campaign that truly stands out. Firstly, understanding your audience is key. Know their needs, preferences, and what truly engages them. This knowledge forms the foundation of a successful campaign. Crafting compelling content is your next step. Make it relevant, valuable, and engaging. Remember, the first impression is crucial, so make your subject line count. Personalization is not to be overlooked. Address your subscribers by name, and tailor content to meet their unique needs and interests. It makes all the difference. Don't forget the call to action. It should be clear, compelling, and guide your audience to the desired action, whether it's making a purchase or signing up. Testing and analyzing are your best friends. Try different subject lines, content, and sending times. Analyze the results, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly send out emails, but don't overwhelm your subscribers. Find the balance that keeps them engaged and looking forward to more. Lastly, ensure your emails are mobile-friendly. With the majority checking emails on mobile, a mobile-optimized design is a must for keeping engagement high. In conclusion, creating a successful email marketing campaign involves understanding your audience, crafting compelling content, personalization, clear CTAs, testing, analyzing, and consistency. Remember, every email is an opportunity to connect with your audience, so make each one count. Happy emailing, and here's to your success.